Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, May the 16th, 2021. I get these in my mailbox usually the Wednesday before. They actually came a little early this week. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what I'm getting in my inserts. Keep in mind, inserts can vary per region. So here we have different vitamin supplement products here, $3 coupons. Cetaphil here, a 2 off of 1 or a 6 off of 2. Limit 2 light coupons. Angel Soft, $1.50. Lamisil, $3. Here we have a 75-cent Lipton tea. I feel like that's a really good value coupon because I feel like they usually give like 30 cents or 25 cents in my area. So it's nice to see a higher value. $1.50 Splenda, 4 off of 2 Splenda. Mederma, 6 off of 1, 4 off of 1. Compeed, I know we have some Ibotta rebates. I think they're $3, but you could always try to make some kind of a deal. Here we have some Splenda monk fruit. That's interesting. I would definitely try that. 2 off of 1. Family Dollar I'm just gonna pan out here. Some Nudges dog treats, $1.50. I just want to point out here, it does say on any one trial pack 2 count. So I don't know how much that is, but maybe that'd make it free. I can't imagine 2 dog treats would cost more than $1.50. Fungicure, I guess that's how you say it. 4 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Here's a nice buy one, get one free Secret and Old Spice coupon. Olay coupons, $2. Okay, I think nearing the end here. Yep. And a nice $1 off of 1 whole fruit. All right, guys, so that's it that's coming in my local save insert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.